TelemetryTV's native Canva integration allows users to design eye-catching media content from directly within their account using an intuitive drag-and-drop editor. To get started, navigate to your playlist on the left-hand side of your screen. On a blank page or zone, click Canva on the right and select a design template. We recommend selecting blank. This will launch a design template that is the exact size of your playlist page or zone. Choose from a variety of templates and design elements and add photos and text to your design to create impressive content for your playlist. If you already have a Canva account and would like to easily edit designs you've already created, you can access them in the Projects folder on the left-hand toolbar. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Submit in the top right corner. Canva designs save as JPEG files to your media folder and can be modified from within your account after they've been created. Please note that other users on your TelemetryTV account will not be able to edit any Canva designs created on your account. Check out our help documentation accessible from the bottom left of your account for more information on TelemetryTV's Canva integration. Thanks for watching.